Hi, this is Maria from Crochet A to Z. Hope you had a great day, and I want to wish you all a happy and healthy Thanksgiving. If you haven't subscribed yet, please push that subscribe button, and if you have, thank you for coming to the channel. I hope that you do subscribe. I have a lot more tutorials coming your way, a lot of fun, easy, and quick tutorials for the Christmas season. So this is Maria from Crochet A to Z. Please push that like button so it brings out the algorithm so more people can find the channel. And please subscribe. And I just wanted to let my subscribers know that we are going to have 2 giveaways for things that I love. Some of my favorite things. And is going to be a giveaway 2 at the end of this month and 1 a week for the month of December. So don't forget to subscribe. Don't forget to like. And again, I wish you a happy and healthy Thanksgiving. Bye-bye.